Hey guys,
How's it going?
welcome to another episode of Kevin and Laura Travel.
In this episode, we take a ride on the Sky Ride.
And we prepare to leave Saint Maarten as we attempt the ropes course. We also check up on my family, who happens to be at Maho Beach watching airplanes land.
While we explore the ship, so stick around for this ride.
Now this trip is coming to an end, guys, and we totally enjoyed every minute of it.
And we are happy you have all joined us on our adventure.
And we would like you to be on more of them with us. If you hit that subscribe button, you will be with us on our next adventure.
As we travel Florida's Gulf Coast in a Mustang convertible.
But we still have to get back to Miami, and that's 2 days away. So here we are in Saint Maarten, and back on the Carnival Vista. So Laura and I decide to hop on the Sky Ride to see all the height.
And it was totally awesome.
The line was pretty small too, which I liked. We are going to show you the entire Sky Ride and the beautiful views we saw in Saint Maarten.
And then you attempted the ropes course.
I sure did, even after you backed out.
I did not like that course.
Now just look at the Lido deck and the water park. This is totally cool. Right in front of us is the Allure of the Seas.
We may have been on a brand new ship, but that one's a monster.
It sure made us look small. Now just look around at all the stuff you can do up here. This ship is a lot of fun. Now Skyride was also invented by Scott Olson, who also invented the inline skates.
Also known as rollerblades.
He happens to be from the same country as we are, Canada. Now later in the video, we will be checking up on the rest of my family, who is watching airplanes land at the famous Maho Beach. Guys, just look at the view. Check out that pirate ship, or that $160 million yacht. This was an incredible day. As I notice a little drop in the track just up ahead, I decide to make a pedal for it. So as I'm booking it along, I hit the drop. At this point, I have enough momentum to glide the rest of the way back. If you have a chance to ride this bad boy, I would go for it, as you will experience it just as we did. But now, we are heading to the ropes course. Now this course was a challenge, as you all are about to see Laura's fate.
Hey, come on now.
Sorry babe, but they want to see it.
What, I gotta go across this rope?
Yeah.
Well, why did I get this? What?
You can go over the bridge.
No, you got the bridge.
No.
Well, I didn't.
Right behind you. Oh, wait, I don't like this.
I can't do that.
No, which one did you do? You had to do that one?
I think so.
Yeah, you do.
So right off the bat, this rope starts to wiggle like crazy on me. But I eventually make it across, and I can start to feel the workout in my arms. I turn around and check on Laura, and then I proceed to the next one.
Just take your time.
I make it across and check on her once again. She is not even halfway across yet. I want to keep going, but I can't leave her behind. So I stop and I wait.
You okay? You okay? This is easy. Use these ones on the other side.
Well, with Laura heading back to the start, I keep on going. Like I said before, this was a workout as you start to feel the muscles burn. Well, maybe that's just because I'm getting old. I don't know. Anyways, when I had a chance to take a bridge, I sure took it. Fuck that rope. Next, I notice these people down below watching me. They're laughing at me like they think I'm about to fall. It was hard not to fall though because of the wind. It was gusting pretty strong up here. I must be at least 200 feet off the ground.
And it's so windy.
As I'm hanging on for my life, I want to check in with my family at Maho Beach and see what they're doing.
I could use a beer. Some tequila.
So, as my family is here watching airplanes land, I figured I'd share some of my brother's footage with you all in case you guys were curious of what it looked like. Join us next time, guys, as we are on our way back to Miami and we attend the American Rock Show.
And do many other things as we still have 2 days at sea.
So as always, guys, if you guys happen to like this video,
Leave us a like.
and don't forget, click that subscribe button for more. So thanks again everybody for watching, and until then guys, see ya.
Close your eyes and feel it. Just a city.